Chapter 11, March of the Misfits.
Hey, Dogman, why are you sad?
I'll tell you why he's sad. A bunch of fellas were mean to him today. They called him a misfit.
Don't feel bad, Dogman. I've never told you this. I've never told anybody this. But I feel like a misfit too.
Hey, so do I every day.
Zuzu and ADHD say they're misfits too. The truth is, we're all misfits.
Even you?
Yole? Heck yeah.
But you're perfect.
I'm just acting. I only pretend to be perfect. But deep inside, I'm a total weirdo.
Wow, you had us all fooled. Thanks.
Don't worry, Dogman. Everybody feels like a misfit. And that means you fit in perfectly.
And so, Petey! It's good to have you back.
Let's play again tomorrow, okay, Papa?
Sure, kid.
Hey, Papa?
Yeah?
Am I a misfit too?
Are you kidding? You're the biggest misfit I've ever met.
Really?
Yup.
Sweet.
The end. And that's the end of the book of Dogman Brawl of the Wild. And we'll see you next time. Bye.